Welcome back to Spill the Tea. Today's story is trending and tangled in controversy. South African influencer and entrepreneur Mehlali Ndamase is reportedly facing a 580,000 rand tax bill from SARS. But is it real or just another fake leak? According to multiple reports, SARS issued a final letter of demand to Mehlali after she allegedly failed to settle her personal income tax. The original amount was around 490,000 rand, but with penalties and interest, it reportedly surged past 580,000 rand. The letter, dated 5 June, allegedly came just weeks after Mehlali made headlines for purchasing 2 Hermes Birkin handbags worth 1 million rand. The timing has fueled public debate about influencer spending and financial responsibility. Some fans believe the leak was intentional or fake, designed to stir drama. Others argue that SARS documents are confidential and should never be shared without due process. Mehlali has not publicly responded to the reports, and no formal legal challenge has been confirmed. One tweet read, "580k is a lot, but let's not judge without facts." Another said, "If you can afford Birkins, you can afford SARS." While this story is still developing, it's a reminder that financial transparency and digital ethics matter, especially when you're in the spotlight. What do you think of Mehlali's alleged tax drama? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tea, because accountability is always trending.